As you can observe these tools up here, this left click here means orbiting. The right click, it means look around. Left click orbits the whole scene, something like this. And the right click, it is something like you are turning around your head as a character, something like this. But this one is spinning around the whole scene. And if you hold the mouse roller, you can do the panning. And if you roll it, you can zoom in and then zoom out. Something like this. Okay. There are these keys here, A, W, S, and D. W is used to move forward, and S is used to move backward, A to move left, and D to move right. Just wait a second. Okay, Q and E. Okay, Q is used to move up, and E is used to move down. Something like this. Okay, you can see that. And keys 1 to 6 are the keys for speed. Okay, they are used for the speed of the movement. 1 is the slowest, and 6 is the fastest for your project. Okay, this 1 to 6 belongs to this structure here. You click on this eye here, and this speed section, and you can see the different numbers here. This inspect means 1, handle speed is second one, walk speed is 3, and the cycle and drive speed, or the last one, fly speed. Okay, if I press key number 1 on the keyboard, and as you can see, we are moving very slowly, something like you can notice in big projects. Now we press key number 2, it's a bit faster. Okay, let's just change the angle of camera, and let's go up a bit. Alright. Okay, now we press key number 3, and when we press W, you can see it is moving faster. Now we press key number 4 on the keyboard, and as you can see, when we press W, it is faster than the previous one. Now number 5, as you can see, it is also faster. Now number 6, and it is the fastest one. So as you can see, the project is here. Now, considering to your proper speed, you can click on the keys on the keyboard. And now if you selected any object in your environment, then type F, it's going to be zoomed in. Or in fact, you have zoom selected. As you can see, something like this. You see, when you select something, just press F. As you can see, you have them zoom selected. So these tools, they're going to provide these features for us. Okay, we come to the speed section, we choose walk for now. Then we're going to continue our project with this speed. And in this section, the setting, and you can click on this option here, navigate keyboard. You can use keyboard or pad or touch for your PC or your laptop. As you can see, there are different screens, and it gives us a very brief guideline for each of them. So you can see you can move down or look around, or maybe in pad you can see the structures of different buttons and keys. Okay, we set it on keyboard. Okay, and in the setting, this part here, navigation presets similar to. Alright, you can set your movement similar to each one of these softwares here. For example, a software like Revit might be the main software for your projects. And maybe the keys that you work with are used a lot in that software. For example, the shift and other keys and etc. Right here you can set those presets similar to each one of these softwares. For example, you can set it to be similar to Revit, maybe similar to Blender or SketchUp, or similar to 3D Max, maybe Rhino and every proper software, or maybe similar to Unreal here. As you can see, this structure becomes similar to Unreal. Or right now we set it on Revit. You see, that's how it's different. So you can set it on whatever you like. As you can see, the guidelines are a bit different here. You see, we are setting it on different softwares. Okay, right now we set it on this Twinmotion editor. And here, if we don't want to see that panel above, we can click on this hide navigation panel here. And if you wanted to put the panel back, you just have to come to this section and click on this navigation here, and we can put it back. You see, show navigation, and there is this cloud section here. Okay, with this option here, we can directly share our project into the cloud environment. Of course, we have the same option here in this section. But for now, we use this part because it's faster. Okay, right here in this section. Okay, in order to do this, you have to have an account. For now, I close this and I come to this section and I hide this panel right here.